Today we're going to take a look at the available to promise feature in NetSuite. A real use case scenario might be I'm entering a sales order for a customer. As you can see, I've got a sales order open, and maybe I even got the customer on the phone as I'm creating the sales order. And they want to order a whole bunch of these drill bits here. In fact, they want to order 200. But I can see that I've only got 100 of these on hand. So I have a little bit of a dilemma here. What I can do here, if I click on this expected ship date field here, there's an icon called check item availability. Now when I open up this window here, I can see, yes, the ordered quantity is 200. The earliest available date is May 19. Today is May 14, so I obviously can't fulfill all 200 today because I only have 100 in stock, but on May 19 I'm expected to get more. If you scroll down here, you can see there's a line item and a supply of an expected quantity of 275. Now I can click on that, right, and open up the respective purchase order, and I can see, yep, I got a purchase order to my vendor Kennametal Materials. I'm expected to receive it by May 19. I can see that the quantity that we ordered is 275. So when I come back to my, sales order screen, and like I said, I've got the customer on the phone, I can do a couple of things here to satisfy them. I can say, Mr. Customer, I can ship you 100 now. I've got 100 physically in stock. However, I'm expecting another 275 to come in on May 19, and I can ship you the balance on May 19. Or if you're willing to wait by May 19, I can ship you the order complete. So keep in mind, we always want to keep the customer happy. If we don't satisfy our customer, obviously they can go to the competition, and I don't want to just lose the sale. I don't want to lose this customer altogether. So, I can maybe provide the customer a 10% discount rate, or maybe go to shipping and, waive the shipping cost altogether. Whatever it takes to satisfy this customer and keep this customer. So again, the available to promise is a nice tool that gives us a visibility into expected quantities on purchase orders, or maybe even transfer orders that are coming in the near future. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video on available to promise and hope you utilize it, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks very much.